3. A metallic sphere of radius 4.2 cm is melted and recasted into the shape of a cylinder of radius 6 cm. Find the height of the cylinder. For spherical, r is equal to 4.2 cm. For cylinder, r is equal to 6 cm. Volume of sphere here recasted. Whenever one shape is changed into the other shape, it is always volume. That you have to remember. Is it? Whenever one shape is changed into other shape, it is always a volume. So volume of sphere is equal to volume of cylinder. 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to pi r square h. Is it? 4 by 3. Pi and pi cancel out. R you have to substitute, which is 4.2. So 42 by 10, 42 by 10, 6 into 6. Make h as a subject of formula. If you make h as a subject of formula, this will comes in division. If you simplify it, you will get h is equal to 22744 upon 1000. Is it? Okay. You can also get this straight away. 7 7 is 49 and 14 into 4 56. So 56 into 49 2744. Got it? Divided by 1000. So you'll get the value h is equal to 2.744 centimeter. So the height of the cylinder is 2.744 centimeter. Second one, a metallic sphere of radius 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter respectively are melted into form a single solid sphere. Find the radius of the resulting sphere. Let V1, V2, V3 and R1, R2, R3 be the volume and the radius of the three sphere. So R1 is equal to 6 centimeter, R2 is equal to 8 centimeter, R3 is equal to 10 centimeter. Let V and R be the volume and radius of the big sphere. Is it? So V is equal to, we get V1 plus V2 plus V3. V 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to 4 by 3 pi r1 cube, pi r2 cube, pi r3 cube. We can take 4 by 3 common. 4 by 3 pi common. So it will cancel out. You will get r cube is equal to r1 cube plus r2 plus r3 cube. If you substitute, when 6 cube, 8 cube and 10 cube, if you add it, you will get r cube is 1728. Okay, but then cube root of this you have to take out by LCM method. So you will get 2 2 3, that is r is equal to 12 centimeter. So the radius of big sphere is 12 centimeter. 20 meter well depth with a 20 meter depth well with a diameter 7 centimeter is dug, and the earth from digging is evenly spread out on the platform 22 by 20 by 14. Find the height of the platform. For cylinder, radius is r is equal to 7 by 2 meter, height is equal to 20 meter, cuboid. Is it? Because now length, breadth and height will come. Is it? So volume. So length L is 22 meter, breadth is 14 meter and h is not given. You have to write height. You have to find it. So volume of cylinder is equal to volume of cuboid. Volume of cylinder is what? Pi r square h and L into B into h. So substitute the value. Okay, and find out h. H you will get 5 by 2, which is 2.5 meter. Well of diameter 3 meter is dug out 14 centimeter depth, up to a 14 centimeter depth. A well is in what you can say that it is cylindrical shape. The earth taken out of it as seen spread evenly around it in the shape of circular ring of width 4 centimeter to form an embankment. Find the height of the embankment. Is it? What is the embankment means? Suppose this is a well. Just say this is a well. Maybe taken a depth and then spread around it. Is it? It is spread around it. The mud is spread around it. So the height is increasing. Height of not this well. From well it is taken out and around this it is embankment is made. Is it? Because of that embankment the height is increasing. Is it? Okay, you say that suppose a circular is there. This is a well. Now the mud, you see this is a just to understand. This is here you are spreading. Okay, if you spread the mud, then can you see? Is it? If you spread, let me see in the this one. Okay, this is the, okay, this is your well. Now you're putting mud around it. Is it? Your mud you're putting around it here, inside all this side. So what is happened? Slowly this height is increasing. Now see, is it like this? You're spreading mud over it, so now it will be like this. Is it? All this mud will be there. So this will be the height of the embankment. This is called embankment. When you put a mud around it and raise the height of it, that is called embankment. Okay, so now this is, see, understand, here this is like this. You are spreading mud here, so slowly it is increasing. Here it is increasing, and this will be the here up to this much. So this is the height. Is it? From paper, this is a height which is called the height of embankment. Is it? You have to find it. What is the height of the embankment when the wall is, when the say that well is dig out and spread the mud around it. Is it? Then you have to find the height. So this is a radius. So if you see this radius, okay, let's see this inside, we say it is 3 by 2. Is it? Because it is given 3 by 2. Here inside is 3 by 2. This whole we can say. Okay, and then around this here, it is width is given 4 meter. This is 3 meter, or radius is 3 by 2. This is a width. Got it? Width. So how will find this area? This area, this around us. Is it? Okay, how will find this area? Area of a, this is cylindrical shape. Okay, so area of the cylinder with a small, bigger radius minus a small area of a small cylinder. Okay, is it cylindrical shape? You can say this cylinder and this big cylinder. Is it? It is like this cylindrical shape, not circle. It is a cylinder. So area of the bigger cylinder minus the area of the smaller cylinder will give you the area of the embankment, and from there we can find the height of the embankment. Is it clear? Okay, so see here, the well of diameter 3 meter is dug 14 meter depth, and the earth taken out of has been spread evenly all around it in the shape of a circular ring width of. So don't get confused by circular ring. It is a cylindrical form because you are raising the height. So again it is not circular, it is a cylindrical form because the well itself is a cylindrical form with a width of 4 centimeter. To form an embankment, find the height of the embankment. Is it clear? Okay, so this is 3 by 2, diameter is 3 by 2, this is inside 3, this is 3 centimeter, so radius is 3 by 2, and this is 4 centimeter. So what is a big radius? 3 by 2 plus 4. Okay, understand? So for the cylinder, R is 3 by 2, radius is 3 by 2, and here the height is 14 centimeter. Let H be the height of the embankment. Let R and small r and capital R be the inner and external radius of embankment. Internal diameter is given, which is of cylinder, which is well only. Got it? Is spread around it. So which is well. So this hole which is known as a well. Okay, this is around it. So radius is 3 by 2 meter. And external is 4 meter, width is increasing. So this 4 meter is increasing. Okay, so 3 by 2 plus 4. So external radius will be 3 by 2 plus 4. So which will be equal to 11 by 2. So volume of embankment is pi capital R square H minus pi R square H. Is it? Okay, so pi, you can take common, pi H common, R square minus capital R square minus small r square. So if you simplify it, pi H, you will get 112 by 4 meter cube. Okay, now we can equate volume of cylinder is equal to volume of embankment. So pi R square H is equal to pi will cancel out. Capital H you have to find, so you simplify it, this bring on this side, So h will be equal to, okay, simplify it, we'll get h is equal to 9 by 8. So h is equal to 1.125 meter.